Hi, welcome to Von Gillette's YouTube channel. Today we'll be covering the treatment for dysfunctional scapula and/or humerus. For this video, we're going to be covering the second row in which we have a normal scapula distance of 2.5 to 3 inches from the middle of the spine to the edge of the scapula. We also have a humerus which points or is internally rotated by the pencil test, in which a pen or pencil is pointing inward. And to fix this, we're going to use dumbbell external rotation. We want to keep the elbow bent at 90 degrees. We're going to use a pad underneath the elbow and make sure that our shoulder is not going too far forward and backward when we do this. Start out with a light dumbbell, go slow to a moderate speed, and then gradually increase the dumbbell weight, working through 8 to 15 reps. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Thank you.